New Year is just around the corner, and you know what that means: fresh starts, new goals, and endless opportunities to level up. In this video, we're diving into how to make the most of 2026 by mastering the art of productivity and time management. Whether you're planning to finally stay consistent with your routines, get organized, or just create more balance in your days, I've got you covered. Plus, I'll share some simple journaling tips that will help you stay focused and actually enjoy the process. Let's make 2026 our most intentional, productive year yet. This video is kindly sponsored by Cognify. More about them later in the video. 1. Start your day with a plan. There is something so powerful about waking up with a clear sense of purpose, knowing exactly what you want to get done and how you're going to do it. Whether it's writing down your to-do list, setting your top 3 priorities, or even mapping out your day hour by hour, having structure gives you direction. It's like giving your brain a roadmap before the chaos starts. Personally, I love to take 5 quiet minutes in the morning with my journal. I set an intention for the day, jot down what really matters, and instantly feel more grounded. Trust me, when you start your day with clarity, everything else just flows better. The way I do that is actually by time blocking my entire week every Sunday. I mentioned it in my Sunday reset routine video, and right now this structure gives me so much peace that I cannot even explain here. Because the moment you wake up and you don't know what to do, you can have the most energy in the world, like the best physical condition, but it doesn't even matter if you don't know where to aim. So starting every day with a plan, even including my wake up hour, just became a rule of thumb for me. Less decision making, more taking action towards my goals. Also, you don't have to prepare yourself for a full day of tasks. Take morning hours for deep work and hard things you usually procrastinate about, afternoons for a workout, quick rest breaks, maybe going out and running errands, and evenings for a good dinner, winding down, maybe some self-care. I personally discovered that I focused best in the morning hours before breakfast. So whenever I have a huge scary thing I need to get done, I make sure to start that task first for an hour before having the first meal of the day. When you find the right balance, you will automatically unlock the doors to sustainable productivity and better time management. All it takes is intention. Guys, I'm so excited for today's news. Meet the learner-first version of ChatGPT, Cognify, aka the world's first AI that actually teaches you. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm researching or working on something, I need to take notes and test myself. Otherwise, I will totally forget what I'm actually working on. That's why I use Cognify. It's an AI learning and productivity tool that allows me to learn by engaging with content that I'm working on rather than just passively skimming it. Unlike any other chatbot, Cognify isn't just about giving answers, it helps you understand them. You can take notes right inside your project, set reminders, and even test your knowledge through quick mini assessments. It's like having a smart study buddy that keeps track of your progress and helps you learn faster every day. And the best part is, it's not just for students. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or even have a full-time job, it's no question that Cognify should be your go-to productivity tool with their built-in focus mode. Think Pomodoro sessions directly in your workspace, and yet a clean project library that keeps your ideas organized and easy to find. Soon, Cognify will even offer goal mode and real-time web search, helping you learn, execute, and stay up to date all in one place. You guys know how much I value productivity rather than just being busy all the time, and that's why I'm really happy to partner with Cognify for this video. In today's world, time is even more valuable because we're all bombarded with distractions, and that's why I really appreciate innovative steps just like the one we mentioned here. I believe their approach is really caring towards mental health, and I would actually call it as anti-burnout. They're really efficient and friendly in their communication application, which I found it really cool. So if you want to learn smarter, stay organized, and retain what you read, go check out Cognify. And if you sign up using my promo code, then you will get 2 free months of their pro plan, and visit their website where you can set up a time to chat directly with Cognify's founder, Paul. Tell him I say hi. All the links will be in the description. Thank you so much to Cognify for sponsoring today's video. 2. Focus on your one most important task. Every day there is that one thing that truly matters. The task that moves the needle forward. The one that feels a little heavy on your mind. Instead of trying to do everything at once, start by tackling that single meaningful goal first. Once it's done, everything else feels lighter, like you've taken a huge weight off your shoulders. It's exactly like the concept of progressive overload in fitness. You begin with the hardest lifts or the most intense cardio when your energy is at its peak, and as you progress, everything else feels easier. Productivity works the same way. When you push through the hardest, most demanding thing early on, momentum builds naturally. The rest of your to-do list starts to feel effortless, almost like your brain goes, okay, we've done the heavy lifting, now it's all downhill from here. So choose your one big task, commit to it, and give it your full focus. Like that's the only thing you have to do that day. I like to trick my brain time to time. That's how sustainable progress is built, one powerful step at a time. 3. Use journaling to organize your priorities. Journaling isn't just about writing your thoughts. It can be one of the most powerful tools for productivity and time management when used intentionally. Start by doing a quick brain dump every morning or the night before. Write down everything that's on your mind. Tasks, worries, ideas, random to-dos. Then go through that list and highlight what truly matters. I love using the Eisenhower matrix or a simple priority ranking system. Mark tasks as urgent, important, can wait, or delegate. You can also try the 1-3-5 rule: 1 big task, 3 medium ones, and 5 small, easy wins for the day. This helps you stay realistic and prevents overwhelm. Another great technique is journaling your intentions instead of just your tasks. For example, instead of writing finish report, write create a clear and focused report to wrap up the project. It adds meaning to what you're doing. The key is to use your journal as a daily clarity tool, not just a notebook, but a personal productivity dashboard that keeps your goals visible and your time purposeful. To take your journaling practice even deeper, start asking yourself simple but powerful questions, the kind that bring awareness to why you're doing what you're doing. For example, what would make today feel successful? Which task will bring me the most peace when it's done? Or if I only had 3 hours of focus today, what would I spend them on? You can also reflect with end-of-day prompts like what distracted me today, what helped me stay on track, or did my actions today align with my bigger goals? These questions aren't about perfection, they're about awareness. When you get used to checking in with yourself this way, you stop running on autopilot and start managing your time with intention. It's like turning your journal into a mini life coach, one that helps you pause, reflect, and refocus every single day. Also, a quick note, some people watch these videos and they think that they have to do all these things all of the time. For some of them, yes, you need to plan your time intentionally, you need to time block necessary, you need to create those to-do lists in order to, remember what you need to do. But some things just become automatic after a while. You don't have to journal all the time. You don't have to ask yourself these questions because these will become a part of you. You will reach a point where you won't even realize that your actions are now naturally aligned with your goals. 4. Create focused work blocks and actually disconnect. One of the biggest productivity killers today is constant digital distraction. Notifications, endless tabs, quick just 1 minute scrolls, they all break your focus more than you realize. That's why dedicating specific work blocks during your most productive hours is such a game changer. Pick a time frame when your brain feels sharpest. For some, it's early morning. For others, it's late at night. And commit to working fully unplugged. That means silencing your phone, closing extra browser tabs, and staying off social media completely. Treat that block as sacred focus time to complete all your computer-based tasks in one go. Not only does this method drastically reduce your screen time throughout the rest of the day, but it also protects you from the trap of sitting still and soaking in blue light for hours. When you batch your digital work intentionally, you create space for movement, real-life breaks, and mental clarity afterward. It's not about being online all day. It's about being deeply present for the hours you choose to be. Once you get into the rhythm of these focused work blocks, you'll find you get more done in 2 hours than you used to in an entire afternoon of multitasking. 5. Design your routine around your lifestyle, not the other way around. Productivity isn't one size fits all. Whether you're a student juggling classes and exams or a full-time employee trying to stay on top of projects, your routine should work for you, not against you. If you're studying, try breaking your sessions into focused 45 to 50-minute blocks with short breaks. It keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. Have your notes or laptop ready before you start and make it a ritual. Same place, same playlist, same mindset. For those working 9 to 5, use small time pockets wisely. Answer quick emails or do light admin work right after lunch when energy dips. And save your high focus tasks for your mental peak hours, usually mid-morning or early evening. And here's my personal take. Don't underestimate the power of transition rituals. For example, after finishing a big task or wrapping up a study block, stay away from your desk. Go for a quick walk, stretch, or just get sunlight on your face. It helps your brain reset and makes it easier to switch gears without feeling drained. The goal isn't to fill every minute with work. It's to create a rhythm that keeps you productive and balanced. When your schedule feels like it flows with your natural energy, that's when you know consistency becomes effortless. And lastly, 6. Try the 2-minute rule to beat procrastination. One simple yet powerful method that's been proven to boost productivity is the 2-minute rule, introduced by David Allen in his book Getting Things Done. The idea is straightforward. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Whether it's replying to a quick email, organizing a file, or making a short call, just get it done. It prevents tiny tasks from piling up and stealing mental space. The beauty of this method is that it helps you build momentum. Once you take action on small tasks, you naturally shift into a doing mindset, making it easier to tackle bigger, more demanding ones afterward. It's like training your brain to stay in motion instead of overthinking every step. I have to say that if you feel like a beginner when it comes to being productive and making the most of your time, definitely read Getting Things Done, as it might be the most practical book I've ever read on time organization and productivity. And that wraps up today's video. As we move into 2026, remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters with clarity and intention. Start small, stay consistent, and let your routines evolve with you. Whether you're journaling your priorities, structuring your time blocks, or simply taking those 2-minute actions, each small choice compounds into long-term progress. So, here is to a focused, balanced, and purpose-driven 2026. Let's make it your most productive year yet. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!